So Google has its own AI that can provide you some text like this generated from AI using some websites like this. Here you can see I am searching here keygen versus passwords in HTML. Here a generative AI giving me the details of it. Click on show more, it gives me the detail about it and now suggesting me to search these things. And here you can see there are 3 pages more are there if you scroll down. So it shows all the details here like this. Okay, when you click on them it will open the page. So this is the option you will get here, search lab, so that you can get the generative AI features like this. Turn it on. When turned on, SDC may appear when you search. Okay, you have to turn it on to start searching through if you want that. Okay, try an example. Get an AI powered overview. Generate, click on generate here and start generating related to your searching words. Okay, to reach your 5,000 follower on YouTube, it will gives you the details related to that one. So you can use it easily, very easily. Just go to your desktop website, click on the search lab and then on it you will get access of this generative AI. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.